We're at a Spirit Halloween that is different from any other Spirit Halloween you have ever been to, because this one is located inside a Hobby Lobby, or it used to be a Hobby Lobby not that long ago. And you know, Hobby Lobby, they don't do Halloween.
With the box under your bed and carry your dream.
So that I may shroud it in darkness. Heal the war, leave your body as you join me in this eternal resting place.
That is scary.
You can never escape my evil eye. It's too late to run. It's too late to hide. You don't even have time to scream.
This one here is the scariest thing I've ever seen. This one here is $229.99. And this guy is $329.99. Oh, this is something I've never seen before. An old newspaper machine. Look at that. It's made out of cardboard. Yeah, she's scary too. It looks like metal though. This is a cardboard box. I thought it was metal for sure. Giant rat found near sewer. The Egg Harbor Herald. America's paper for 42 years. That is amazing. Oh, this guy. Oh, wow. That is cool. $249.99 for that guy. This is the subway car. That looks like metal too, like I'm going to need a tetanus, but it is foam. The Night Owl, $189.99. Oh, he's on. This is wild. I like this guy. Oh, man. Jumping Spider. He's not on either. Oh, nope, he is. Oh. He got me, and I even knew it was coming. Clowns are scary. Another one, $329.99. And he's
Curious, what's in the box? There was this monkey!
Oh man, I gotta say, that was scary. Okay, now we're gonna go on the subway car. This is Halloween Horror Nights quality. I mean, look at this. I'm standing on the panel. And you even got controls here. You got the phone. These buttons, you can push these buttons. A speedometer. voltage. Oh, watch this. Oh, and when I do that, the speedometer's going. And the voltage meter. That is wild. This can't be for someone's home. This has got to be like for a business or something. I mean, it's pretty big. Oh, look at this. Oh. He's being electrocuted. And somebody launched their body here on the seat. Scarecrow's $189.99. And the hanging guy, he's $149.99, I guess, because he only has a torso. Oh man, the rat is $229.99. I'm afraid to walk up to the rat. He doesn't really do that much. I thought his tail would move or something. And then up here, a lot of detail. This is really a wild thing, but how would you get this together and then get it apart for next Halloween? I don't think this would survive more than one Halloween. It is cardboard. Oh, now he's going.
Just like you.
Oh my gosh.
That's the grinding of my bones coming to tuck you in while you're sleeping. Sweet
They are scary, I gotta tell you, and it's light. He's not on, but he's creepy still.
Come closer, little one. Daddy just wants to kiss. Kiss.
It seems a little strange to be in a Hobby Lobby looking at all these Halloween things. The Hobby Lobby people would not approve of this. But it seems to me that they have less at Spirit Halloween. My name is Brian. This is Main Street Moments. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you next time.